What's up guys, it's Caleb with UTV Source, and today we're taking a look at the Savage UTV Revolve BOXO Tool and Belt Storage Kit. This kit comes with 2 layers of customizable space for a spare belt and all the tools you'll need to change it or a spare tire. Plus you're going to get some extra space left over for any other tools you might want in a pinch. The first layer is your Boxo Tool Set. In that you're going to get an 11-inch needle nose pliers, a cutting tool with 2 different style blades, a 16-inch breaker bar, a ratcheting T-handle driver with a 3-inch extension, T40, T30, 13mm, 10mm, and 8mm sockets, and 17mm and 19mm color-coded lug nut sockets. For the second layer, we opted for the standard EVA foam, which includes ring cutouts for different size belts. You can also opt for an EVA foam with a rectangular universal cutout or customizable Kaizen foam. We chose this option because we like to be able to remove the center section to fit extra items like a spare toe strap. The 1680D nylon hardshell case is designed to be used with a Y-strap to mount on top of your spare tire. But you can also use the additional mounting points located on the back and on the sides with the included straps for additional mounting options. The Savage UTV Revolve case also comes in other configurations for dual belt storage, recovery gear, jacks, and more. Make sure to check them out at utvsource.com along with thousands of other products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, life's a ride. Make it your own.